So I'm back at the garden, and we're looking at the plants. Now, this is how Belen is keeping the sun and also heavy rain off of the plants. And what you're looking at there, those are those are nipa leaves. Some people may have heard of nipa huts. And nipa huts are made with this material covering the roof. They're usually bamboo on the bottom, and then they have these leaves on the top. It's a traditional way of building in the Philippines, and that's how she's keeping the harsh sun and also the rain off of the seedlings. And here we have some of them that are growing. They seem to be doing well. This is, I think, 3 days after the last time when these were put in the ground, and they pretty much all survived so far. So far the crabs haven't attacked them and haven't gotten at them anyway. And they all look healthy. And you can see that the second set of leaves are big now, whereas before they were kind of small. So things are progressing nicely. Once these get a little bigger, we're gonna put trellises for the plants to grow onto. So things are going well. Things are going very well. Now, a tropical depression came through this area starting a few days ago and lasting until this morning. So there was a lot of rain. It wasn't heavy rain, but it was continual. It just went on and on for days. And now that's over, thankfully. Well, I don't know about thankfully, because it cooled things down a lot, and I don't really mind it when it rains. The only problem is that it's not really good weather to go out in. And so I stayed in. I didn't do much. And just kind of played video games, and I made some jardinera, but
John,
yes, ma'am.
I have suki sa hilot.
Some more of Belen's plants. She's not growing very many orchids here. Our immediate neighbor grows a lot of orchids, but it doesn't seem like Belen does.